on an outing together? Yes, let's go to our Barari today. See the bike? Whoa, it's riding. Now we are going the tunnel. Woohoo! Okay, see the lights, friends? It's so golden. See the green place? I feel like to go there. This is Sheikh Mohammed bin Zayed Road. See the global village board? Wow, I feel like to go there. One day we will go there, friends. You can see on the board it's global village. See? Nice design, huh? Reaching Al Barari. Friends, you see the board? It's Al Barari. Now we are going under that tunnel. Here we go. Yahoo! See, we are on the tunnel. So friends, this is Al Barari. It's like a forest, you know. It's the biggest noise as you can hear. Oh, nice birds are crying. Oh, there's a taxi. So friends, let's enjoy the Al Barari and let's go inside the forest. So friends, we're inside the forest. It's like you're in India. See, there are lots of leaves here. Follow me. Look at these beautiful plants. See this tree? It's like sliding. So friends, when you go out, please wear your safety mask. Wow, it's cooler here. Slowing down. Oh friends, you have to come here too. It's very happier here. Cool prayer. Friends, see the residents? Many people are staying here. Oh, flowers. Wow, you can see trees too. It's bigger than you thought, huh? Oh, here come the birds again. Look at that flower. See this flower? So pretty. It's pink. So friends, this is a small tree. You see here? See? It's too small. Oh, many tree leaves are there. Wow. Cool, huh? Oh, the flower again. This is the board you can see. You can see it wrote welcome to the farm. Let's go to the farm. See friends, this is the farm. So friends, how is the design of the farm? Friends, see the leaves and touching? Awesome. Nicest dream ever. I feel cool here. And I'm going down. Wow, look at that. It's a rock pool. Look at that rock pool there. Oh, you can see leaves down here. Wow, and entrancing anywhere because I love this place. Okay. Friends, now we are going like a tunnel. Oh, I see something over there. Wow, a beautiful face made by wood. Friends, what shape is this? Yes, it's a heart. And it's like a heart shape, right? So let's keep it here. And enjoy this. Oh, there are people. You can see. Friends, this is the coolest place I need to. It's like you need to come without AC. It's cool here. AC, you can stay here for 5 minutes. Wow, I feel to go inside there, but no entrance. Wow, tallest trees. Coolest and the nicest place. And the flowers.